Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss here about rigor mortis, adipose formation, and mummification. Rigor mortis refers to the stiffening of body after death. It occurs due to formation of actin myosin cross-links when ATP reduced to less than 85% of normal. Newton's law deals with progression of rigor mortis. It affects the involuntary muscle starting with myocardium. The order of appearance involuntary muscle is upper eyelid, neck muscle, jaw, facial muscles, upper limb, trunk muscles, lower limb. Order of disappearance is also same. In tropical countries, India, it begins 1-2 hours. After that, further 2 hours to develop and last for 18-36 hours. In summers, 24 to 48 hours. In winter, in temperature countries begins 3 to 6 hours, takes further 2-3 hours to develop and last for 2-3 days. Causes of faster onset of rigor mortis: extremes, age, malnutrition, immersion in water. Onset is delayed if pneumonia and myasthenia gravis disorder. Adipose is a spontaneous form of partial preservation by the hydrolysis or sponification of body fat. It is therefore more commonly seen and is more prominent in women and in young, well-nourished children. The hydrolyzed fat is first yellowish brown in color and film consistency. Time passes. It becomes white and friable. It has offensive, pervasive, and persistent odor. And you can read further by your own. Okay. Now, putrefaction is the last stage in resolution of body from the inorganic to organic state and is a certain sign of death. Two factors are responsible for putrefaction: bacterial enzymes from colon, autolysis, release of cytoplasmic enzymes. Three conditions are necessary for putrefaction: warmth 10 to 45 degrees Celsius, moisture, humidity. If air is absent, adipose formation, sponification occurs, and absence of moisture, mummification occurs. Very important and high yield. Remember, if air absent means adipose formation. What is adipose? A wax-like formation. Sponification occurs. And if absence of moisture, mummification occurs. Remember, moisture present, warmth present, air present, then putrefaction. All three present: moisture, warmth, air. Moisture present, warmth present, air absent. So adipose formation. All three present, putrefaction occurs. When air absent, adipose formation, sponification. Moisture absent, warmth present, air present, then mummification. Okay. Color changes. First visible external evidence: putrefaction, greenish discoloration of skin in right iliac fossa, and marbling, staining of walls, superficial veins following hemolysis, red cells prominent in 36-48 hours. Developed foul smelling gases. Organ shows putrefaction changes: larynx and trachea first, then stomach and intestine, then spleen, liver, brain, heart, lung, kidney. Uterus last putrefies in female, and prostate organ last putrefy in male. Putrefaction is delayed in death due to wasting of disease of anemia, poisoning by carbolic acid, zinc chloride, strychnine, heavy metal poisoning. Casper dictum: it is the effect of medium in which body lies on rate of putrefaction. Casper dictum states that a body decomposes in air twice as rapidly as in water, 8 times rapidly in earth. Okay. First affected in rigor mortis is, that is, myocardium, involuntary muscle. I already explained. Now, ideal condition for adipocere formation. Adipocere formed in absence of air. Remember, adipocere. So warmth, humid weather is the answer here. Warm, humid weather, yes. Among the following, which is earliest organ to putrefy? Earliest is brain, larynx, trachea, stomach and colon, then spleen, then liver, so brain and then brain. So last organ to putrefy in male is prostate, female is uterus, but earliest from all of these is brain. Mummified body smells like odorless. Odorless. According to Casper's dictum, decomposition is the fastest when the body in which of the following air. Rigor mortis occurs due to, I already explained, depletion of ATP. Yeah. Dead body was received for autopsy. It was blotted with swollen tongue and blister spread on entire body. What is the reason possible? That is decomposition. So guys, I hope till here it's very much clear for you. If you have any queries, any question, you can ask me. And if somebody is new on my channel, please subscribe it. And if you like my videos, put like on it. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. That's all for today.